My favorite way to start seeds oftentimes is with paper towel. And I go ahead and I fold it up so that I can get it in my jar of liquid seaweed, but you can also just do it in water. So I put it in there, and then I go ahead and I squeeze out the excess water. You don't want to get it too dry though. That's not going to be good. So it has to have some moisture in there, because when you roll it up, you put it in a Ziploc baggie, which I already have. Let's see where my division is. There it is. So I lay it down on the counter typically. If you have new seeds, you're probably going to get almost 100% germination. I also go ahead and write on a Ziploc bag what it is and what date, which, yeah, today's the 2nd. Very good. I did good. So then I go ahead and I get however many seeds I want to grow, because you typically, if the seeds are new and good, then you'll typically get 100% germination. You can put them out here however you want to. I'm going to put that one in. So I just go ahead and I lay it out, and then I roll it up in a large roll so it's not all flat. And then all you have to do is put it in a Ziploc bag, keep it in I usually keep them on my counter so that they're not in sunlight. And you can go ahead and keep them there, and then this will get condensation, and then they'll start to germinate. So this is an example of what not to do, because I've waited way too long for these seeds that had germinated. But as you can see, we have roots all throughout. So you need to do this earlier than I did, but that's when you can then go ahead and pot them up. So I can still put these out, but they're very, very leggy. But this gives you the idea with all the roots in there. And I generally start checking it about a week after I do it. But that's just an easy way to start seeds. And if you have old seeds, you'll also be able to tell if they're not going to germinate or if they have a disease or something like that. That's it.